Ringo Vision, the vision was removed by the system for no reason whatsoever, and the vision is back, and the system get paid for doing absolute.
It's a wonderful, good thing to taste, huh? Yeah?
Lovely.
Hey, take a look at all that soup.
Yeah.
The amazing soup, Jamaican soup.
Yeah.
That's why I've tried to go to Jamaica.
Proper one.
Like, it's going to be the first time. They haven't been there the first time.
Yeah.
Jamaica, they are good people. They are not any nobody's robberies, because I couldn't understand. They find a safe place.
Okay.
Vegetable soup. Loads of potatoes and yam and stuff to fill you up.
You know that big you put in that soup yesterday?
Huh?
I come and sat down yesterday when you came there.
Nice, God bless you. Thank you very much. Why are you leaving? Because we come. No. And still give him the love. It's good that you're out and you're talking to him.
Listen, I always look after him. I bought him his drink. He's got his drink and his quiz to have after his soup. And yeah, man, you have to pass it on.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And that will be nice and warm now.
And it
smells bloody good too.
so we all play individually. Yes, everyone, big up yourself. So this is my second day back out in Croydon after they put up the ban and the restriction. So we're back out in the community doing the good stuff. You understand, people, yeah? As you can see that we've got locals that are here that's been waiting for the soup, that ain't had the soup in a little while, innit?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
We miss this man. We need him.
There you go, love.
God bless you, mate.
It's beautiful.
Like you one?
Yeah, man, no, I'll have one, though.
So you don't have any spoons in your...
No, I got fork.
Why fork?
Because you can drink and just pick up with it.
Oh, if I drink it in, it's alright.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Oh, no, I've tried to get it.
Yeah? Sure?
I'll just sip it.
No, man, Yes, everybody, so big up yourself, man. We're here. We're just handing out the soup, you understand? We've been a good vibe, the second day out right now. There you go.
Alright, so wonderful. So
Thank you, brother.
God bless you.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you. God bless you.
That's why we need some support and some people.
Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission.
Alright, everybody, so this is day 2 now, and we're out with the kitchen, you understand? So we'll show you what's happening in the pot right now. So, yeah, so we've got some pumpkin in the pot. Yeah, man, let me show you, it's a pot of bubble. So we've got some pumpkin in the pot, people. You can start breaking down the pumpkin, because the pumpkin going to create the colour. You understand? The pumpkin gets soft up in the pot right now. We've got right plant in the green plant, and we've got cho-cho. We've got scallion, we've got thyme, we've got garlic inside of here as well. We've got carrots in here, peppers, red onions. You understand? A good vibe, but we also got some more ingredients to go into the pot, people. So, yeah, man, we can start cut up some things into the pot. Understand? Good vibes. Yeah. We'll put some scallion into the pot right now. Flavor, good flavor. Flavor. Look more. Yeah, look more fair. Yeah.
Respect, big man.
Respect. Yeah, so we're just here with the kitchen right now, everybody. Cook the pot of soup. This is day 2. Soup for the homeless today, people. So good vibes. It feels absolutely good to be back outside. Put the camera on me inside, let me talk to everybody. You understand? So good vibes, everybody. So we're back outside with the kitchen again. You understand? It's amazing. So we're just adding some carrots into the pot. You understand? We're just right here on main West Croydon, London Road. You understand? Put some scallion in the pot. You understand? You can see all that oil, that grease on top of the pot. That's from the coconut cream, you understand? So the coconut, got the coconut in there, adding towards the flavors as well, everybody. Yeah, man, so just, you understand? Yes, everybody, as you can see that the kitchen is here and we're almost at a completion, you understand? So we have to be mindful when we're outside right now, you understand? Because there's a lot of people watching and a lot of people looking, but I just want to thank everybody that's on the journey with me here. So we've got some yam, putting some yam in the pot right now, white yam. Put some yam in the pot, people. You understand? Our good vibes. Put some Irish potato in the pot. Put some more yam in the pot. You understand? Nice fresh yam, nice fresh vegetables. You understand? This is to build up back your body, build up back your immune system. You understand? We've got some Irish potato here. Cut that in 4 like that. Put that in the pot. Thank you, Lucky. Put that right there for me, please. Nice one. Some more yam. The yam. I got some of the yam them that's already cut up already. You understand? So a good vibe. Look at this. Big up yourself wherever you're watching from right now. Big up everybody in London. Big up everybody all over the UK. Yeah, man, come out, man.
Come on.
Come out. Kitchen out.
Kitchen outside.
Please stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission.
You know what's so good about it, everyone, to be back outside here? The sun, yesterday was a mad rainy day, first day, and look how the second day's greeted us. Nice weather today. Look at that, we're just putting some scallion in the pot, you know, and we have some more time. Got some more time to put in the pot, so good vibes. I have to put time in the pot now, because you see the time? Time's of an essence. You understand? Time will carry some flavour, some really nice flavour. Can we drop some chopped up yam in the pot, people, yeah? We've got enough yam to go in the pot, you know, Adam.
Yeah.
We're back. You're back, man. I was praying for you still. Come on.
Don't
film me though, man.
No.
Outside, my brother, man.
Yeah, man, I was filming you, man, because, bruv, you're just doing it for the love.
Come on. Yes, everyone, so one of the last ingredients that I'm putting into the pot right now, I'm just adding some okra, you understand? And the okra is going to create a little bit of thickness in the pot right now, you understand? So we got red onion, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got thyme, we've got scallion, we've got peppers, we've got tomato, we've got yam, we've got sweet potato, we've got chocho, we've got turnip. Yeah, things we have in the pot, you know? Yeah, man, bare things we got in the pot.
Back in a minute, yeah?
That is it. Scallion. I forget the flavours right, so well one, you're right, yeah? A good vibe. Yeah, man, so now that I've added like almost all the okra and that's it, we're just gonna make this pot here just go and boil now, you understand? And just create the last look of flavour, and then we're gonna start handing out the soup to everybody, yeah? It's been a good 2-day back, you know? Yeah, man, 2-day back in the community. Yes. Get a look of stir now.
No, I'm not swimming alright.
Yeah. Some big pieces of pumpkin there. they're gonna boil out and create some more colour, you understand people, yeah? So a good vibes. Everyone, so we're back out with the kitchen. Yeah man, a good vibe. You know what's so good about cooking on the high street? Like if you need to add any little ingredients into the pot, you know, you can just come one time, and just get like a extra 1, 2 look of something and put a 1, 2 look of something in the pot. You understand? So we're gonna make this pot here, yeah? Boss, how much of them colours in here?
I don't know that one. The big one there, 250 each, 2 for 5 pounds. But that one is just a piece of it.
Alright, well on then. So yeah, this is the great thing about being here. You understand, I can get ingredients quickly, you get me? So a good vibe, so great. Then you get plant, put the next plant in, yeah. So a good vibe, that one, put the next plant in the pot. That is it, a good vibe. So. Yeah, a good vibe. Yeah man, so the neighbourhood chef is back out, you know. You know what a good feeling this is? Yeah man, just to have the neighbourhood chef back out. Yes, Adam, yes. What's going on?
How's it going?
You alright guys?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Super will be ready in 10 minutes. Okay. Let's have a look. Good vibes. Yeah? Not gonna go up there everyone, but I'm just showing you that there's always a madness here in Croydon, like they're just fighting here on the high street, you understand? But yeah, we've got the kitchen. There's always some madness here in Croydon, people, you understand? So
That's mad.
it's mad.
Yes.
Sam, what's going on?
Nothing much, man.
Second day out of the kitchen.
Yeah, it's the second day today.
Yes, how's it going, guys?
Day 2 out with the kitchen. Second day out in Croydon and
Got nothing to do with me, mate.
yeah, there's always a madness out here in the town. You understand? But the town's got all sorts of different type of behaviours. Reason why? Because you have some people that have got mental health, some people that take drugs, and some people that are just alcoholics. So the town needs a whole lot of different type of help, you understand, and support, you understand people, yeah? So, yeah man, we do need a team to come out sometime and help and support, you understand? A good vibes.
Yo, Ringo. A good vibes.
People, so we're just waiting for the pot to complete around 5 minutes time.
Release stress.
Bless. Yeah, we're just waiting for the pot to complete.
Homeless.
The pot will be completed in about 5 minutes.
Ringo
people, yeah?
Vision on
And
a
we're just gonna start handing out
mission.
the food. So good vibes, you understand? That is it.
Release stress.
So let's see where the kitchen's at right now, people, yeah? So I think we're gonna start, yeah. A good vibes. Pata Simmer. Hello. Thank you. Sai, wagwan.
Sorry?
Wagwan.
Soup.
He said, okay, he said super guan.
Best reaction. Yes, guys, how's it going, everyone?
Soup, that's it, super guan. We're waiting for the soup. Go on, people, you know what to do. You understand? Did you guys go and look at the first video that I've ever uploaded on YouTube? We was talking about that yesterday. You understand? Did you check it? Can you put it in the comment section, please? Yeah, you understand? A good vibe. So, yeah, man, we're just there so with the kitchen. We're gonna start sharing out the food in a second. Still, yeah, man, that is it. So, what's so good about it? Yeah, it's the second day. We're back into good old Croydon. Hello, you alright? No, we're doing some soup, you know. It's going to be ready in like 5 minutes.
What kind of soup is this?
Vegetable soup.
Really? What do you eat it with?
Just soup.
Just like that?
Yeah. It's got yam, it's got cocoa, it's got everything inside.
It's like a potato.
Let me show you where I go on.
No, oh, sorry. No, sorry.
So, and then it's got the yam, it's got the okra. You have to plantain, You've got pepper as well. Pepper.
See yourself when you look now.
It's fine.
Are good vibes, are good vibes. Alright, so we've got a few people waiting by the station. So yeah man, we're gonna go up there and hand out the food in a little while. Yeah man, big up yourself, big man, yeah? Are good vibes. So yeah, we're just waiting a couple more minutes. And yeah, you understand, look. See how Croydon stay? Are good vibes. Soup in it today, you know. Yes, everyone, big up yourself. So this is my second day back out in Croydon after they put up the ban and the restriction. So we're back out in the community doing the good stuff. You understand, people, yeah? As you can see that we've got locals that are here that's been waiting for the soup, that ain't had the soup in a little while, innit?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
We miss this man. We need him.
There you go, love.
God bless you, mate. Be more people like you around here.
One will do, yeah?
Bless you,
Cool,
mate.
good vibes.
Hey, buddy.
Yo,
You alright?
you alright?
You're doing good at taste.
Yes. Talk to him.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I can feel good. My name's Theophilus Olowanjai. I raised to live in South Norwood. They are good people. They are not attacked. I rather say no to violator because I'm a vlogger. I'm a vlogger, yeah?
You want a soup? Don't talk too much over the pot, but talk.
Is it free?
It's free, yes. You gonna be a soup? You think you want to
Are there spicy soups?
Yes, it's not too spicy, but it's okay, it's nice.
Jamaica soup.
Yeah. Ziggy, here you go.
Not really.
Put only soup,
I should taste it.
Your pepper.
Are they spoons?
He's going for the pepper.
Can I have some?
Okay, let me have soup. Chicken soup.
Yeah, well.
Normal veg. Good soup.
How are you? Good?
Oh, I need a different spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Soup is amazing.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah. I love it. Maybe I'm having for lunch. It's beautiful.
Like you one?
Yeah, man, no, I'll have one, though.
So you don't have any spoons in your...
No, I got fork.
Why fork?
Because you can drink and just pick up with it.
Oh, if I drink it in, it's alright.
Yeah, man, you give man.
Oh, no, I'll definitely have one.
Yeah?
So? Yeah, I'll just
No, man, yeah, man. Yes, everybody, so big up yourself, man. We're here. We're just handing out the soup. You understand? We've been a good vibe. The second day out right now. There you go.
Oh, it's a wonderful good thing to taste. Eh?
Yeah?
Lovely.
Hey, take a look at that soup.
Yeah?
The amazing soup, Jamaican soup.
Yeah.
That's why I've tried to go to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Like, it's going to be the first time. They haven't been there the first time.
Yeah.
Jamaica, they are good people. They are not any nobody's robberies because I couldn't understand. They find a safe place. They're a safe place and everything.
Yes, yeah?
Blessing, safe place here. I rather say don't listen to the violation of the same thing, everything that's not going to happen here. Yeah? I just got to feel taste it.
Man.
I love the taste. I believe the taste I'm spending for hours.
Yeah. Good vibes. We're gonna go up now and hand out some more food.
Yeah.
Yes, everybody. So
There we go.
Yeah, good vibes. Yeah. So good vibes now.
I'm just going to the power line. Yeah. I'm going to the power line. I gotta get something. All right.
Yeah. Have a good day, man. Alright, so a good vibe. So yeah man, we're just gonna go and hand out the rest of the soup everybody. So big up yourself. Yeah man, so it's been a good second day, nice bright day out here in Croydon. You understand? Go on. Big man, you want soup? Which one is drinking?
Which will be there?
Next one. No, big man, no.
I'm not.
No.
No.
Forget that. You can't do that, bro. Forget that.
Okay.
You want a soup? Yeah, please.
Don't get smelling the 24 mile away, you get it? It's loud.
Thank you, brother. God bless you. Thank you. You want a soup? Thank you. God bless you. That's why we need some support and some people to come out, because we've got individuals that want to dip their head into the pot. You understand? Like he wants me to cook his face. What's wrong with him?
It's already cooking out here with the sunlight.
Isn't it?
It's a lovely day.
Yeah, man, a good vibes everybody here. So second day and we're just handing out the food. That is it.
Nice of the place now. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Why are you leaving? Because we'll come.
No.
And still give him the love. It's good that you're out and you're talking to him.
Listen, I always look after him. I bought him a drink. He's got his drink and his crisp to have after his soup.
Good vibe.
Yeah, man, you have to pass it on.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And that will be nice and warm now.
And it
Smell bloody good too.
so we all play an individual role. You done your little part. I come and do my little part.
We all have to. You see,
Yeah.
if you give it a good heart,
Yeah.
do a little part every day.
A little part, innit? That's it.
That's what we have to do.
That's it. You understand people here just look.
Thank you.
Catch the lady here doing her little part, and then, you understand that's all it is. People just bungling together and just helping we can help. That's it. You understand? Bless you.
All right. I see you, all right, darling. And you take care, all right? Love you, love. Yes, I love you, love.
Yes. One love, yeah?
Yeah, love.
Bless. Good vibe, we're out, we're on the move. Let's go.
Good, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to go to lunch.
Got some vegetable soup. Loads of potatoes and yam and stuff to fill you up.
You know that bit you put in that soup yesterday?
Huh?
I come and sat down yesterday when you gave me that soup yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm very young.
What?
Floor family.
Don't lie. Nah, I'll come back with it today, yo. Have a good one, yeah? Right, so now we're just gonna walk around in town quickly and just hand out the rest of the soup. A good vibe. We're just here on the high street and a good vibe.
Spoon, you have spoon.
Yes.
Enough. Good. Me eating soup for cigarette, for my cigarette, good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Alright, so yeah man, there's just people on the high street just floating around, so we need to just walk around and hand out the rest of the food. And that's it. Good job done.
How you been?
Yeah, I've been good man.
Yeah?
And yourself?
Yeah, you just saved me money. Because I was going to spend my last £3 on some McDonald's.
Nah, save it.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Nice one, yeah?
Yeah, one love.
Thank you. Long time.
Yeah, man.
Your best man in town. Yeah. That's my blessing, you do.
Yes.
And my blessing, you bring your blessing for me.
Yes.
My
Good vibes.
blessing for today.
Yeah, it's been a little while, big man.
Good man. Yeah, nice to see you. You're back again.
I'm
Good.
back again, yeah.
They tell me some people bat about you.
Yes.
But don't go about them. You know, there is to go them there.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I know.
Glad I
Sometimes
see
you
you
get
today as well.
you know, but I know you get back on track.
Yes.
Nice to see you, man. You do a good thing.
Thank you, yeah?
May God bless you, bless your family too.
And thank you for the music.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for the music. Yeah? One
Yeah.
love. That's it, people. The drum have to beat and the thunder have to roll. You understand? Because people that need the food. The food's important. Look, he's just there. He says the blessing. So the blessing just dropped there. You understand? That's it. Feed him up. Let's look into if we see the next lucky out here. Feed him up some food. Bless up this man. Yeah, man, and a good vibes over out. That's what we're yeah, the good vibes over there. So I think this is where it kind of stops them with a U-turn back up again. Wagwan Jody.
Hello, my boy. You alright?
Yes, look, you see how the kitchen just come park up right beside you.
Yeah, come on. Sorry, baby. Yeah, thank you.
How you
don't,
been?
Don't put me on there.
No way, we're not gonna put you. We're not gonna make you look bad. We're gonna make you look good. How was
You're
yesterday?
right down there.
Yeah, how was yesterday?
Look.
Ah, mate, don't worry about it.
Thank you, baby.
Nice hot soup.
Yeah, thank you.
You want a soup?
Thank you. Babe! Come in. Oh, they're cunts. What, if you go gangster, do you do?
What?
No, don't worry about that. Don't worry. Everything's good.
I know, man. Respect, yeah?
Love you.
Nice one, brother.
What's that fucking thing?
Can I get a pot for the man over there who's a bit shy being on camera?
Okay, yeah.
No, I don't want to be on camera either.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No,
Almost
Jody, you're welcome, man.
Oh, I love you to bits.
Jody, you been keeping yourself out of trouble? Yes. I love that.
Thank you. Do you have a spoon?
Yeah.
Just about Congo. Just fucking not Congo.
Yeah, word
Fucking hell,
Calm
mate.
down.
I can't fucking.
I'm gonna pass this one.
Just about.
There's Lucky want one as well.
Yeah. Hello, baby girl. You're right, my babe. You want some soup?
Yeah. Let me come get your soup, man. Pause.
Thank you.
Come get your soup.
Alright, bro, you good, yeah?
How you doing, my brother? You alright,
Let me
yeah?
stand up.
So, guys, this guy goes around, yeah, and like,
There you go. You're welcome, yeah? Good vibe.
Give
food.
me up, please.
Bro, sorry, like,
You're strong enough.
do you cook
Yeah, you
to
are.
the homeless, yeah?
Yeah.
Before I thought you were selling it, so I didn't really ask.
No, give it away.
Oh,
Come
for
out
free,
four,
yeah?
Yeah, I come out 4 days a week.
Okay.
You're welcome, Jody. Bless. So Jody's regular, I give her a few.
Yeah, with the other guy. Yeah,
Well,
right, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, so I just come out 4 days a week, basically.
Okay.
We've got pot, we've got stove, and I just buy the food from the local shops, and then I just hand it out.
Okay. So guys, you see this guy does it for free. He gives every homeless. So he gives anyone.
It's for the homeless, but sometimes some people like yourself might just be intrigued and, can I try the soup? I'll give you a soup if you want to try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So if you want to try it, you can try it.
No, I'm good, bro. But thank you so much. But I want to ask you,
It's banging.
why do you do this?
Why do you for us, innit? For you, for me,
Okay.
and for everybody that's around, innit?
Okay. Okay, because I saw on social media that the police are trying to stop you or something like that. Why are they trying to do that?
It's just
By not breaking the law, are you?
not breaking the law, but you know, some people have different views on what happens in the community. And some people like it, some people
And it's bagging.
despise it.
Let me tell you.
It's just
Okay, she's enjoying the food as well?
Yeah, don't fucking record me, boy.
Okay, so like
It's
do this.
very nice.
What days do
so basically I come out 4 days a week.
Okay.
So this is since they put up the ban on the issue, today's is day 2.
Oh, day 2, okay.
So I'll be back out tomorrow.
Okay.
And Saturday.
Okay.
That's my 4 days for the week.
Okay.
And I'll be back again on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, so what can we do to support you? Because at the end of the day, this is nonsense. They can't ban you for this.
So
a man is doing a good thing.
I use these things here. And this gas stove.
Yeah.
Canisters.
Okay.
The cups.
Okay.
So you can. I could get some support by ingredients.
Okay. So people can support with virgin stuff with no money.
They can even bring. You know the fork.
Okay.
You know these fork that I use.
Okay.
Whatever.
I wanna do that as well. So I think your social media.
What are you selling here?
No,
It's not selling.
Just giving some soup to the homeless.
You want soup?
Okay. So guys, this man does this thing. Anyone that wants to support with anything, spoon, whatever, fork, plate, cups, whatever,
Even a napkin that you wipe your hands
or whatever, bro. Please, I'll put his thing on my thing, and then you guys can support the brother, bro. I see you doing this all I live in Croydon, bro, but sometimes I thought you sell them, innit?
Oh, no,
it's for free. Yeah, it's for free. Okay, what's your social media thing?
Ringo Vision.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Sorry, man.
Take a piss.
Because I saw the tin, I was like, this is crazy.
Yeah. Once again, Jody.
Down there. Yeah,
Sorry, let me hold that for you so I can tap it real quick,
It's okay. Thank you. Yeah. You feed me, man.
Yeah, man.
I just wanted to say well done. I just see you on TikTok.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah.
You're doing good. No, yeah, I have some tissue.
Yeah, but I've got the gloves in it.
I have tissue. Don't worry. Settle the pot. I'm still waiting. Don't worry about that.
All right, cool.
Thank you.
One
God
love,
bless
man.
you, man.
Bless.
Bless you, man.
All right.
The best soup in town.
Yes, good
I
vibes.
tell you.
Hear that, everybody? It's the best supwa. It's the best supwa in town. And the supwa is almost, almost at a completion.
Yes.
Yes, everybody. So today is been a good day, Well, go on, yeah. I'm just like, go and work out the soup.
I don't know this world, Bless her anyway, love.
I'm still out here, Ringo.
I know. Soon get you.
I'm cool for the moment, literally. I'm actually right.
Did he?
Yeah, I'm still here.
You soon get placed, man. We're working on it.
It's just getting harder now.
Yeah,
I'm like a little kid, I nearly died out here, like a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
I died. My legs were blue, my face was blue, and I was told that the ambulance was going to be an hour, because I was having seizures.
Yeah.
I'm epileptic,
Yeah.
And then someone taking the blanket off you and robbing you at the same time while you're asleep.
So hopefully it's gonna get better, man. I'm back out here anyway, so yeah, I'm back.
Respect.
Yeah. Alright, you look, just stay blessed, man. I'll be back out here. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so good vibes and back outside. So, yeah.
I've not finished him since.
I don't know why it's really these, but yeah.
He said he cool.
He did. The same, he did, cool him. I was standing there with him in the police. Yeah.
Not been there.
Alright then, yeah?
You could.
Take care, yeah? Alright then. Yes, everybody, so it's so good to be back out in the local community, Pushing back the good vibration, the good energy, Understand? Today's been absolutely a good day. Understand? They say that Croydon's mash up and run down. It ain't mash up and run down, you know. You know when this is some TLC. People, the community needs some TLC. They're putting up all these buildings and all these, I understand, infrastructure, but you need some infrastructure in the people as well. Caps, where I go on? You good, yeah? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Yeah, outside of the kitchen, man. Yeah, come on. Yeah, everything blessed, man. We'll catch up though, yeah?
Catch up still.
Yeah?
I saw the little issues you're having.
Back up.
Back up.
Back up.
I got sorted.
Yeah, pattern up.
I signed that petition as well.
Come on, love my bro. Come on.
Big up, man.
Respect, yeah? Caps, I'll shout you. Yeah? Love my brother, yeah? Yes, everybody. So, yeah, man. The kitchen is back out. You understand? It's so good to be back out. People, yeah. So day 2, what an amazing day 2, people, yeah. We're gonna count down the days them now. You understand? I'm gonna put a tally up on how many people we fed. Remember that we was on 13,600, yeah, and that was in December. And I ain't done any count ups since then. Yeah, bro, I've done count ups, but I haven't put everything together yet. So I'm gonna put everything together and let you know what numbers we're on. Let's just work on it and push it. If we had a mobile vehicle, definitely we'd be able to do more than just Croydon. We'd be able to venture out quite a few times for the day. Because look, it's completed now. These lot have eaten food. We could have had a vehicle, we could have driven down to Brixton, cooked another pot. Driven down to Streatham, Lewisham, you understand? Camden, London Bridge, wherever. And just spread it. You understand? Yeah? So yeah, man, I'm good. Day 2 out in the community.
Hello. Oh, you never guessed what yesterday I got my hair cut. I look like Pinky Blinders in Warner.
Hey, look at that.
Did I pay for it? No, I get it for free, obviously, because I'm quite exclusive, but don't do that. Prestige barber. Ringo Vision, the vision. Ringo Vision, the vision was removed by the system for no reason whatsoever, and the vision is back, and the system get paid for doing absolute jack.
Now,
shit.
Dave, I strongly appreciate you, mate.
I strongly appreciate
I didn't
you.
realise that you got a shirt on. Look, you smart kid.
Trying to
out
look a
here.
bit fantastic. Do you know what? It's a jungle in this tent. You don't know what's going on in there. You might not make it out alive here if you come in here.
Now, listen. I'm gonna come and set my tent up with you one night and chill out.
Yeah, that'd be lovely, though.
Yeah,
the weather's getting better.
I think I'm gonna do a night out with you.
Yeah?
Hey, Adam, we might have to do a night out with Dave.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll have a night out, LSD. Don't tell them. Have some LSD. How do I survive through the winter? Through Ringo Vision, and the winter is now finalised.
Thank you very much, Dave. Yeah.
Thanks
Hey, Dave, we're gonna catch up here. One love every time. Yeah.
Love you to pieces.
Super.
Love you.
Love you always.
I'm doing